Good morning, children. Say good morning, all of you. Good morning. Are you happy? Are you enjoyed the social class? Okay. Today we are going to mark the book activities of the social science. Lesson number is weather and climate. Lesson name is weather and climate. Let us turn to the page number 102. 102. Let us turn to your page 102. Earth's atmosphere contains about percentage of nitrogen and oxygen. Choose the correct answer. Okay. Roman letter 1. First question. Answer is A. 78% and 21%. Mark. Second question. Dash is generally defined as the average condition of the weather of a place or a region. Option is C. Climate. Third one, the earth receives energy from heat. Option is D. Fourth one, which one of the following represents place with the equal amount of rainfall? D. Isohyets. Fourth one is isohyets. Option is D. Fifth one, dash is used to measure the humidity. Option is C. Fill in the blanks. Dash refers to the condition of atmosphere for a short period of time. Weather. Did you write? Did you written? Did you write? Sorry. Did you write? Second question. The scientific study of weather is called meteorology. Third one, the highest temperature ever recorded on the earth. 56.7 Celsius in USA. Only one in will become, it is coming 2 in. Fourth, filling the blanks. Dash is a ratio between the actual amount of water vapor and maximum amount of water vapor in the air can hold. Humidity. Dash and dash are measured by anemometer and wind vane respectively. Wind direction and wind speed. Dash are the imaginary lines which contact the same temperature of the different places, isotherms. Did you finish, ma? Now we are going to write match the following. See, this is book given in the book question. Okay, this is a question. Okay, I am giving the answer to you. Answer is climate long term changes. That answer is given, you see and mark it. So what the number will come? 45213. 45213. What the number will come? 45213. Now true or false? State whether the following statements are true or false. The atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planet. True. Second question, the scientific study of weather is called climatology. False. ESOHEL refers equal sunshine. True. Write it in your book. True. Third one answer is false. True, false, true, false. True, false, true, false. Now Roman letter sixth one, distinguish between the following. Which one means? First one question is weather and climate. So what is the difference are there? You see and write, okay? Take your classwork note, all of you. Take your classwork note, book activities we finished. Now take your classwork note. Write it fast, write neatly. We are finished. Give reason and answer in short answer. Yes. So heading you write distinguish between. Put one weather and climate. Write that. Put the box and write it. Okay. Then leave the question and again write the second question. Okay. Write it. Write neatly. Now write second question. Put the scale and write it, okay? Write it fast, children. This question also you want to put the line and write, okay? Write fast, children. Okay, now third question. Permanent and seasonal winds, okay? Write neatly, children. So this is the first answer in a paragraph, first question. Okay. Measuring temperature, you put heading and write it 3 points. Okay, did you finish, children? Okay, now we can write second question. Three points are there, okay? Little big, but you can write it, okay, children? Did you finish these types and write first point, first planetary wings? First one you finish, now second point you write. Now, did you finish? Third point. Write neatly. Write it fast. So this was only for the second year questions, okay? So 3 points are there. First question also 3 points are there. Second question also 3 points are there. See, this is second question. First point, second point. What we want to write the about the beans and about the types also. We want to explain them. Okay, children. This is third point. Now, third question. List out the weather elements and associate measuring instrument. So put the box and write it, okay? In the middle box is not given, one line is not given, you put the line in the middle, okay? Write the question, leave one line and write the question and write the answers. Write it fast. Weather elements is temperature. What is the measure of the measuring the instrument? That is Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. This is answer only, okay? Right. எதை வச்சுலாம் மெஷர் பண்ணலாம், எந்த எலமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் எந்த மிஷின் வச்சு எப்போ ஹெல்ப் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான். Put line for each one, you put line. So we are finished the books, activities, all those things, and we are written the classwork also, all questions, okay? Did you finish, ma? Okay, now all of you take the social book. I am giving the homework in the book. Okay, first you do one thing, you check the answer first, homework answer. Okay, then I will give the book activities in your book, okay? This is the previous answer for the homework. Correct it fast. Few seconds I will give you. Correct it fast. Did you corrected? Sorry. Now take the book 103, page number 103. See, this one you want to, sorry, this ninth one, give any 3 suggestions to reduce global warming. 3 suggestion you want to write. You can write in the book or in the book also. Sorry, you can write in the book, otherwise you can write in the homework note. Okay, children? 3 suggestion. What is the 3 suggestion? You know, little I'm giving a little clue for you. Okay, plant a tree. If you plant a tree, we cannot be get the global warming. Global warming na என்னது தமிழ்ல உலக வெப்பமயமாதல். உலக வெப்பமயமாதல். சரியா? ஸோ டிரைவ் லெஸ்ஸு. நம்ம நிறைய வண்டி ஓட்டாமல் இருந்தோம்னா புகை மண்டலங்கள் என்ன செய்யாது, உருவாகாது. அப்படிதானம்மா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு தேர்ட் பாயிண்ட், அவாய்ட் ப்ராடக்ட் வித் த route of the packing. You can save 1200 bonds of carbon dioxide. If you reduce your garbage, you can be 10%, we can be omitted the global warming. Okay, so 3 points I gave. If you can't understand, means you go to the Google and search and write the 3 global warming, how to reduce the global warming. Okay, children, mark it 103. Okay, children, all of you, I hope you are finished the classwork and homework note. Okay, so don't ever never skip the video. If you skip the video, you will miss the question answer, you will miss the important points. Okay, so you will listen. Yes, very good. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class.